Your dollars review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this program or training course called Audio Dollars. So right now we are on a sales page where it says stack 3,000 per month in royalties with 15-minute audio books. No writing, no recording, no traffic, no selling. Okay. And below the video, it might be flashing that grow your money 135% in 5 years. So that has got nothing to do with audio dollars. Okay, so if you want to know how to grow your existing money 135% in 5 years, make sure you watch the video till the end. That's a different thing. Okay. So coming back with this, what the name is, audio dollars. Okay, so it starts with $17 as you can see here, and you pay them 17, then you pay them more and more and more for what nobody knows. Okay, so let's talk about the funnel here. So this is what you get in $17, this is what you get in 67, whatever it is. Okay, and then you get something in 57, something in this. It's all bullshit to me. You know why? Because if you go below my YouTube channel, you see my channel TubeCore, you click there, you come here, and then you go to playlist, you click on playlist here. Okay, and you can see that here at the bottom I have done affiliate product reviews. Okay, so I have done these reviews until 4 years ago. Okay, you can see I have done more than 1,600 reviews, so I'm not new to this. All right, I have done these reviews more than 1,600 times in the past, as you can see in the number right here. Okay, so at that time when I was doing these reviews, I had no such system which will print money while you do nothing. Okay, and these stupid videos, like, somebody will come and say no work, no sales, no traffic, just go and print money. It's all bullshit. Okay, and I have done this more than 1,600 times in the past. Go through this bullshit over and over again. 1,600 times I had to go through this bullshit in the past. Okay, so what does it do to a human? It frustrates you. So when I was doing these reviews, I was getting so frustrated. I was the only human on the planet who could take these things 1,600 times. You would not be able to do what I did. Okay, so what I did, I stopped for good. I stopped, I took a break, and then I went into a different niche. That niche was forex trading. Okay, so you can see here, I made 528 videos on forex. This is 5K series, this is voice. So I changed my field. I went into forex trading, and eventually I made something which I can now give you, which you can, set up on your charts and just print the money and set and forget and grow your money. So if you go below my video, the first link says swing trading on probation. You can click on this link, enter your email, and then go and watch the video and other stuff, and then only you will understand what I'm saying. Okay, so coming back to audio dollars, somebody will come with these things. I have said this 1,600 times, let's do it once more. Okay, if you buy something in $17, $20, $50 on Warrior Plus or on the internet somewhere, you will not make anything. You will not make a single penny. Okay, nobody, or it is impossible to make any money in $17, $20, $50 unless you can learn something. I have said this 1,600 times, even more in the past. When I'm recording this video right now, I'm feeling frustration inside myself right now because this work, these reviews are too low for my capabilities, for my skills. Still, I'm doing it right now. Okay. So back then when I was doing these reviews 4 years ago, I did not had anything to offer to those people who are lazy. Lazy people as in they don't want to do anything. For example, you don't want to come and make YouTube videos. You don't want to make a website. You don't want to do SEO. You don't want to do shit, but you want to make money. Until a few years ago, there was no such thing. But I have made it possible. I have made my own system, my own robot. So if you click the first link below, click on this, go enter your email, then go and watch the video on the page, and then only you will figure this out. So this is not for my system. My system is not for those people who don't have the money. My system is only for those people who have the money sitting, wasting in their bank account. So let's say you have 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 sitting in your bank account doing nothing. Then take that money out, invest that into the system, and everything is on automation once it is done. and you just grow your account 135% in 5 years. No banks will give you that kind of interest, okay? So coming back to audio dollars, remember this website called Warrior Plus, okay? You will not make a single penny no matter how many times you buy anything from this website, okay? I'm not saying this program is good or bad. That's not my concern, okay? My concern is, will you make money with this or not? Answer is not. That's it. I'm not here to go round and round in circles, okay? Oh, you go and buy from my link, I give you bonus orgasms. I'm not here for that, okay? So let's see, what do we have? Again, the attentions are vulnerable, okay? Because if something has to be sold is 17, then why are you asking 197 for what? And then why are you asking more money? Okay, the question or the answer is very simple. They want the money first for themselves. So nobody's doing fucking charity here. Okay, nobody cares about you. Nobody gives a shit if you live or die. That's the truth. Okay, so coming back to this dollar system, let me see if I can show the demo video somewhere. Okay. So you are supposed to type something here, and then you could go to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gives you a prompt here, long prompt, okay? And then you put that prompt in your ass and you make money with it. I'm like, fuck off, man. Get a life. So I guess some hypothetical method is that you go and get the prompt from ChatGPT, then you go to some AI voice recording system, and then you type that or copy paste this prompt, and then this prompt will be turned into some audio, and then you can turn this into some kind of fucking audio book, and then you start getting sales and you start printing money. Fuck you, idiots. Bloody idiots. If that was so fucking simple, nobody's gonna give a shit to sell this to you in 70. Oh, fuck off. I mean, get it. I'm sorry, guys, but you are listening to somebody who has done this frustrated work for more than 1,600 times. Plus, this is below my skill and level. The only reason I'm doing this because now I can clearly tell you, go and get this robot, set up this software, set up the system, and print money while you fart all rest of your life. Yes. Even if you fart all day, the system will make you money in the number of years to come if you take it seriously. And I'm giving you 5 years of money back guarantee. Over and out. Go and check out this. Subscribe, like. We'll see you on the other side.